Hello everybody, this is Grace. I'm from workanywherenow.com and I'm also known as Little Mama online. And today in this video, I'm going to tell you about Wealthy Affiliates Super Affiliate Conference that's coming up real soon and I get to attend it in a few days. So this is my little countdown video to show you what this is all about and to show you how you could get to the conference yourself in maybe even next year for Vegas 2020. You just never know what you can do in a whole year. So let me get to my laptop and I'm going to show you what this program is all about. Hey guys, thanks for joining me here at my laptop now. And here I'm going to show you, first of all, what Wealthy Affiliate is. Wealthy Affiliate is actually a training program where you can learn how to build your own online business and earn money from it, okay? So you're not necessarily earning from Wealthy Affiliate unless you promote Wealthy Affiliate, okay? Many people just hop on thinking that they're going to work for Wealthy Affiliate or doing something for Wealthy Affiliate, but you're actually here to learn how to make your own online business, create your own online business, and earn from your own business, okay? So there's two ways to build your business on Wealthy Affiliate. The first way is pick any kind of topic you like. It's called a niche. So you could pick a niche of whatever topic you like. It could be promoting anything in like cooking or some kind of sport or your favorite artist or whatever, maybe whatever product you like, watches, anything, okay? So you could basically learn how to do that in the training here, okay? This is the training platform. This is the training course. This is the first one. This is the online entrepreneur certification. This is where you will go for any niche that you pick. Okay, there's 5 levels, and you go through them, and you could build your business step by step like that, and it guides you of when to do things and how to do things, and it's really, really awesome training. Now, I've done this course. I've also done this affiliate boot camp. So because Wealthy Affiliate teaches affiliate marketing, they of course gonna have their own affiliate program as well. So this course, the second course, Affiliate Bootcamp, is actually for people who want to promote Wealthy Affiliate, okay? So the examples in these lessons here will be more specific to Wealthy Affiliate, and it actually has 2 more modules down here that is for paid traffic that you'll learn. So far you can see I haven't finished paid traffic because I've only concentrated on free traffic, which is the first 5 core lessons. And these 2 strategies are the same, okay? The strategies in these 2 are same. It's long term, and you will take your time to learn how to do this. So like I started in September 2016, and my website that I've built for my online business has been earning money since the beginning, really. See, I started September 2016, and so even the first few months I earned a little something. But 2017, I didn't make a huge amount of money because during that first full year, I was still doing a lot of learning. I could be a slow person. I'm a stay-at-home mom, so I've been busy as well. So this all depends on you. But I realized in mid 2017, what I needed to do, and I really took serious action at that point, and that's when I really drove my success in 2018. Because the way this business works is that you gotta put in your work, and then your business grows, and then you see results at the other end of all that work. It's the way the strategy works is that it takes a little time to grow, okay? But once it starts growing and you catch that snowball effect, this is what you can see on your income, okay? So like 2018, I started in January with only $500, guys. This 500, and then it just snowballed in 2018, and my highest month was in November because of Black Friday. it hit almost 8,000. Okay, so I'm averaging around 4,500 to 5,000, and so in 2019 I'm really hoping to jump that even further. And you see here, these are almost 370,000 users on my website last year without paying a cent, without paying any money for any advertising. This is what you learn at Wealthy. You're going to learn how to build a website that attracts its own visitors, and you can read all about my experience here. My nickname here is Little Mama. That's where my name comes from. I've been on this platform since the September 16, 2016. And so I want to show you that this training works. So in 2018, because I promote Wealthy Affiliate, I actually sold 300 premium memberships. And that's how I earned the super affiliate invitation to the conference, which is happening very soon. So let me show you actually the program details here real quick. So here is the incentive, the Las Vegas Super Affiliate Conference. So if you achieve, if you could sell 300 in basically a calendar year, you need to sell 300 in a calendar year to be basically to be considered a super affiliate, and that's when you get an invitation to this awesome conference where you can meet Cal and Carson, and then you're gonna meet Jay Neal, who is the webinar coach every week here at Wealthy Affiliate. We have live webinars every week, and he does those. He hosts those for us, and I get to meet all the other super affiliates there. Who's able to attend. Okay, of course not everybody's gonna be able to attend. It's happening next week, and so this is just a little countdown for you to learn about this program and why there's a super affiliate conference. So I hope to be learning a lot about what's going to be happening, about what's happening in 2019 for the platform. And as you can see here, this is last year's, okay? Or yeah, last year's. That happened either end of January or early February last year. This is a place that they rented, and apparently Michael Jordan had rented this like a week before they did or something like that. So they got to hang out in this kind of villa, and there's always like there's a 4-day event, and it's a all paid conference, by the way. So Wealthy Affiliate pays for your stay, they pay for your airfare, they give you money to go gambling on your spare time. And then you get to have private meeting with them. So I guess I'm gonna have a one-on-one with the owners. And then you get to have dinners and social events. So it's pretty fun, and I get to bring my hubby. That's gonna be fun too, to have him with me. So I really cannot wait for this. This is so this is gonna be for me. This is gonna be next week. I'm hoping to really do a live stream on in my Facebook group while I'm there. So I don't know who I'm going to get, but I'm going to get some live guests for that. And I hope you can join me. I'm going to put my Facebook link underneath this video. So join my Facebook group so you can see what I'll be doing over there. But I'm going to be doing a lot of learning, I hope, from all these great minds. Okay, so the last thing I want to show you is that how are you going to do this? So Wealthy affiliate program is actually really cool because you can really earn a full-time income. I mean, you saw how much money I'm earning, and you can totally do this yourself as well. And if you want to promote Wealthy Affiliate and try to get this conference, to attend this conference, I have a bonus for you. If you sign up with me, I have a specific training that I have inside Wealthy Affiliate that tells you exactly what I did to earn my super affiliate spot at the conference. And so you can learn all about it with my personal guidance. And and I give it to all my referrals. If whoever wants to go this route, it will be delivered to you when you upgrade. So there's 2 memberships at Wealthy Affiliate, okay? You get a free membership and a premium membership, and you can earn from both memberships, okay? And so the starter membership, I didn't write on here, but the premium, this is how much it costs, okay, to be a member. The first month is actually $19 here, but every month after that is $49. So you could do a monthly plan, and then you can do a 6-month plan for $234, which works out to $39 a month. And then there's a yearly plan at $359, which works out to under $30 a month. Now, what you will earn as an affiliate, of course, so if you're a starter or a premium, you can earn, as you can see on the screen, but the starter basically just earns half of what premiums earn, okay? So if you're a premium like me, you will earn $23.50 for every recurring. So let's say somebody signed up for monthly, and the first month is 19 bucks. You're gonna earn $8, okay? And then the second month they're on, you're gonna earn $23.50. All right. But if they sign up for their 6-month plan for $234, you're gonna earn $108. And then for the yearly plan, you're gonna earn $175. So for the 6-month plan, it is instantly approved. There's no pending period, meaning Wealthy Affiliate pays on the first of every month, never fails, and they pay via PayPal that way. Now, if you don't have PayPal, I believe they pay by check, but you may want to check first with them, and I'll verify that too for future videos. And I'll update the description actually once I get confirmation if they pay through check. I believe they do pay through check, but obviously it's not going to be the first of every month if you get through check, because it has mailing time. So anyway, so if you sell 6-month plans, then you're going to get it on the first of the next month. So it's monthly. But for the yearly plans, you sell 175, but you earn 175. But then there's a 30-day waiting period. So if you sold one in January, you don't get paid on February 1st, but you'll get paid on March 1st, because it'll take 30 days to release. Then you get paid the following payment date. And so same with the payment schedule, same with starters, but they just earn less. So basically, let's say you don't want to upgrade, okay? You could basically do a YouTube video like this and just start promoting it on YouTube, and just sign up for the free Wealthy Affiliate membership and see if you could get any referrals to upgrade. And once you start earning some money on your free account using YouTube channel, then you can upgrade to the premium and earn your full commissions. So that's how I would do it if I were to do it for free. But it's only $50 a month if you could really go for premium, because you're going to be missing out on all these commissions if you only do starter. But I mean, everybody has different budgets, so this is a way to get started for free. And so that's how the affiliate program works. I think that's it. So you basically need to just sell 300 in a calendar year, and then you could join us at the Super Affiliate Conference that is paid for by Wealthy Affiliate. And so I cannot wait to give you more details about this while I'm there in Vegas. It's going to be in my Facebook group, so look for that link below this video. And then I'm going to have a different video as well once I come back from it and tell you all about it. So please follow me on YouTube here. So you need to subscribe, you need to like this video, and then also smash that notification button so that you can get my next video pretty quickly and get notified, okay? So I hope to see you and meet you at the Vegas 2020. You have a whole year right now to get this selling and see if you can get all these great commissions. And I'll see you next year at Las Vegas.